How many vowel letters do we have in the English alphabet? What sounds do they make? Let's find out. What's up guys? My name is Shane and today we are talking about pronunciation and the alphabet. Pronunciation is very important because it helps English speakers understand you very easily. One of the best ways to improve your pronunciation is to practice the alphabet. In the alphabet we have 26 letters, 5 vowels and 21 consonants. In today's video, we are talking about the vowels, so let's get started. So what are the 5 vowels in English? We have A, E, I, O, U. Now you try. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels can have either long sounds or short sounds. So let's look at the long sounds first. A, ape, ape. Now you try. Ape. E, eagle, eagle. Now you try. Eagle. I, ice, ice. Now you try. Ice. O, ocean, ocean. Now you try. Ocean. U, unicorn, unicorn. Now you try. Unicorn. Let's do the short sounds. A, apple, apple. Now you try. Apple. E, egg, egg. Now you try. Egg. Igloo, igloo. Now you try. Igloo. Octopus, octopus. Now you try. Octopus. Umbrella, umbrella. Now you try. Umbrella.